How to install VU Live TV Player on Android. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. Now first of all, go to the Play Store, or you can even search on the Play Store application over here. Just search for VU Live TV. So as you can see, there is no direct application to download it from the Google Play Store. So we have to go for Google Chrome, and on the Google Chrome you can just tap on the search bar and search for the application VU Live TV Player, and you can see this is the application over here. Now to download it, you can just search for VU Live TV Player download, and you'll be able to see different options, and you just have to select the one that's more convenient for you. I'm going to go for this one, and after that scroll down and you'll be able to see the option of download APK. So just tap on that and you'll be able to download the latest version of the application on your device. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification for more updates. That's it for today. See you next time.